Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6th, subject Maths. Now, in yesterday's video, we have completed exercise 7.1 and 7.2. Also completed how to represent fraction on number line. Then next thing, proper and improper fractions, mixed fractions, right? And exercise 7.2. Now we'll start the I think equivalent fractions definition and simple, what is simplest form, it is also completed, right? So let's start the next topic. Okay, so we have to complete just start next things. Okay. uh, Okay, this is the equivalent fraction. Okay, so it is 1 by 2. That means total 2 parts are here and 1 is shaded, and here also see total 4 parts are there and 2 parts are shaded. That means 2 upon 4. Here total 6 parts are there and 3 are shaded, that is 3 upon 6. Now if we divide 2 upon 4 by 2, we get 1 upon 2. Same here, if we divide 3 upon 6 by 3, we get 1 upon 2. That means the fraction which has same value are called equivalent fraction. Get it? Next. Now, see here, to find an equivalent fraction of a given fraction, you may multiply both the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by same number. Okay, so let's consider the example of 1 upon 3. If we want to take the equivalent fractions of 1 upon 3, so first we will multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 1 the 2 and 3 2 the 6. Now next 1 upon 3 should be multiplied by 3. 3 1 the 3 and 3 3 the 9. Next 1 upon 3 multiplied by 4. 4 1 the 4 and 4 3 the 12. Get it? So if we take any fraction, you have to multiply numerator and denominator by same number. Then we can find out a number of equivalent fraction. Okay. Now the second, otherwise we can say another method to find out equivalent fraction, we may divide both numerator and denominator by same number. Suppose here is 12 upon 15. So we can divide it by 3 now. So it is 4 upon 5. Get it? Now see, if there is 9 upon 15 and we have to find equivalent fraction as denominator 5. So here denominator is 15. So what is that number? We get 5. So we have to divide 15 by 3. Okay. Now 9 should be divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. So it is 3 upon 5. Get it? Next. Okay, now we will see the interesting fact. So what is the interesting fact? If we have know the two equivalent fractions, okay, or we can say if there are two equivalent fractions and we want to confirm, or we want to say if they are equivalent or not. So how we can do it? So there is one method. What is that interesting fact? The numerator of first fraction multiplied by denominator of second fraction. If it is equal to denominator of first fraction multiplied by numerator of second fraction. See here, 1 multiplied by 16 we get 16. Okay, and 4 4s are 16. These are right now, these are same now. So they are the products are equal, so they are equivalent fraction. Get it? Now take this third one, 2, 3 and fourth. Okay, fourth example. 2 upon 3 equal to 10 upon 15. So let's take the cross multiplication. 2 multiplied by 15. So 15 2s are 30. And 3 multiplied by 10, we get 10 3s are 30. So both are same. So product are same. Then they are equivalent. Okay. Now next. See here, find the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 9 with denominator 63. So we have 2 upon 9 and denominator is 63. When should we get 63? We have to multiply 9 by 7. Na? So 9 7 the 63. So 2 7 the 14. Okay. So for this we should have 9 into what? 7. Okay, fine. So here is cross multiplication, right? So see here, 2 9 multiplied by box is equal to 2 multiplied by 63. So here 9 multiplied by box is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 9. So here it is 2 7 the 14. So 9 and 9 is here. So box is equal to 14. Get it? Now see the next topic, that is simplest form. So see here, a fraction is said to be in simplest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. अगर आपको हिंदी में समझना है तो आप क्या समझोगे? अगर आपको एक फ्रैक्शन दिया है, ओके, तो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को अगर एक के अलावा बाकी किसी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते तो वो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म है. सपोज वी टेक 50 अपॉन 60, तो 10 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं ना इसको. इफ वी डिवाइड 50 अपॉन 60 बाई 10 वी गेट 5 अपॉन 6. अब 5 और 6 को किसी नंबर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं क्या? एक के सिवा नहीं कर सकते ना. नाउ इट इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. गेट इट? नेक्स्ट, let's start the exercise 7.3. Replace the box in each of the following by correct number. Okay, so 2 upon 7 is equal to 8 upon box. So 2 4 the 8. So 7 4 the 28. So what the number will be there? 28. 3 upon 5 is equal to box upon 20. So 4 5 the 20. 3 4 the 12. So 12 should be there. Okay. Next, 5 upon 8 is equal to 10 upon box. 5, see here, 5 2 the 10. So 8 2 the 16. Right now? Next, 45 upon 60 and here 15. So 45 should be divisible by 3, then we get 15. So 60 divided by 3 we get 20. Get it? Next, 18 upon 24 is equal to, so 18 should be divided by 6 na, so that we get 3. So 18 divided by 6 we get 3 and 24 divided by 6 we get 4. Get it everyone? Everyone understand this? It is so easy na? Fine. Now let's start the next question. Okay, I think exercise 7.3 is third question we have started. Okay, fine. We will complete the fourth one and just see the first two examples, right? So these are in book. First of all, we complete our fourth example. Then we see the first and second example in book. Okay. See here, find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having denominator 20. See, 3 upon 5, denominator comes by 20. So it should be multiplied by 4. See here, 5 4 the 20. So 3 4 the 12. Okay. Then numerator 9. So 3 upon 5 is equal to 9 upon. So you see here, 3 3 the 9 and 5 3 the 15. Okay. Next, 3 upon 5 is equal to 30 upon dash, that is box. So 5 6 the 30. So 3 6 3 the 18. Okay. before starting that, I want to start the first and second question. So please open page number 1